Hello and welcome to the First Count Noah's Flood.
The Chinese symbol for boat. The Chinese symbol for boat is a combination of three symbols that translate to vessel, eight, and people.
Genesis chapter 7 verse 11 states that the flood wasn't only caused by heavy rain. It stated the deep springs helped in making the great flood.
There were people that stated that there was a canopy-shaped barrier around the world that probably helped start the flood.
Yay! Before Noah's flood, it never rained, and if it did, it was only little showers, as stated in Genesis chapter 2, verse 5 to 6.
Paleontologists found marine fossils in some of the highest mountains. This probably happened because of Noah's flood.
Created using Powtoon.